Video 9 Part 2. The Travel Computer and its Components. Block 1. Opening and Fluid Connectivity. Welcome to the second part of Video 9. Having established the official designation of the Especially 35 specification, it is imperative to defragment the physical hardware that enables the mathematical magic within the Pagani Utopia. The travel computer does not operate in isolation. It is positioned at the epicenter of the cabin, acting as a critical consolidation node. As you can observe in the technical X-ray schematic, a network of high-speed channels branches out from this central module towards the extremities of the chassis. We are not discussing conventional electrical connections here, but rather data arteries that directly link the interaction of the various peripheral compounds. Block 2. Sensor breakdown and parameters. Through this specialized wiring, the travel computer simultaneously receives and processes a matrix of fundamental physical variables for vehicle dynamics. At the front axle, the system constantly monitors the steering input sensors and front wheel speeds, correlating the steering angle with the trajectory vector. In the midsection, the throttle position sensor translates driver demand in real time. Finally, in the rear section, the flow connects directly with thermal and aerodynamic management, measuring engine temperature and actuator position to coordinate load balancing. Each parameter is digested by the ESP35 to guarantee an immediate structural response. Block 3. Closing. The integration of these components demonstrates that in high-performance automotive engineering, software and hardware must merge seamlessly to tame the physics of a hypercar of this caliber. With the analysis of the travel computer concluded, we are ready to delve into the communication protocols that govern this network in upcoming installments. If you wish to continue uncovering the technical secrets that the industry typically conceals within simple catalogs, do not forget to subscribe to our two sister channels and share this content. We shall see you in the next video. Disclaimer: as we conclude this stage of our dissection and prepare to examine the network architecture, it is imperative to establish a technical boundary. This analysis is conducted strictly from the perspective of functional reverse engineering and applied physics. Closed-source algorithms, proprietary calibrations, and specific data matrices within the central control unit constitute protected intellectual property and corporate trade secrets. The directive of this channel is the elucidation of automotive engineering principles and systems dynamics, operating within a framework of absolute respect for industrial design rights, without infringing upon or disclosing commercially licensed protocols.